In this video, I'm going to teach you how to add a terms of service page in Lovable AI. To do that, you first need to head over here into your Lovable site that you wish to add this with. Once you have done that, you just need to go over to this chat interface. And once you're in there, you just need to actually input right here a particular prompt to add a terms of service. So here is a sample of a prompt that you can use. So here it is. You can actually use this or tailor this to your liking as well. So create a legal page titled Terms of Service with sections for user agreement, acceptable use, intellectual property, and contact links. So you can also change this however you want, but this is actually the basic version for this. Once you have done that, you can head over and send this to Lovable and it will create a page just dedicated for that. So for this, just proceed and then it will create it for you. So that's all there is today and I hope this video helped you out.